Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Hello, this is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong. I'd like to show you how easy it is to create a healthy snack in the air fryer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, subscribe to the Rolling Strong YouTube channel, and click on the bell for notifications so you hear about all the future videos we produce. Air fryers are all the rage. If you don't already have one, you're probably looking at them online. These small electric devices fry food with a fraction of the oil as compared to deep frying. They circulate hot air around the food, creating a similar crispy texture to deep frying. But deep frying requires a large amount of oil, which is generally very low quality oil that's reused over and over. Deep frying has been shown to create cancer-causing compounds in the food. Deep frying is also dangerous and super messy. You can use healthier oil in the air fryer because you're using so little of it. So I recommend using olive oil. You only need a few teaspoons. This eliminates the saturated fat that you would eat in fried food. Air fryers cut down on cooking odors. Even the most fragrant foods like fish really don't stink up your house. The cleanup is also relatively easy. There's a basket and a tray, and that's about it. There are also very small air fryers, even smaller than this one, that take up very little space on your counter or in your pantry. While you can cook many foods in the air fryer, I'd like to cover vegetables. The natural sugars in the veggies caramelize, creating a sweet, crispy, healthy treat. Veggies that work well in the air fryer include, but are not limited to, you can try any veggies, carrots, which I'm going to show you today, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, mushrooms, tomatoes, peppers, onions, the list goes on. So I recommend using a small spray bottle filled with heart-healthy olive oil. And what you want to do is take out the basket and spray the bottom of the tray with olive oil. Then you're going to take your cut veggies, and I've got carrots here, and you can see I've cut them thin but not too thin, and you're going to place them in the air fryer and make sure that you distribute them throughout the basket. And you don't want to fill the basket because the air needs to circulate in order for the food to fry. Then you're going to spray another layer of oil on top of the carrots. And I would think I haven't even used a teaspoon of oil in the air fryer. Now, if you want to add some seasoning to this, you can sprinkle that on top, maybe a little bit of salt and pepper. We're all trying to watch our sodium intake, so just a little bit of salt. And then you want to take a non-metal spoon and stir everything up. So then you're going to place the veggies in the air fryer. I recommend cooking on 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. So set your timer to 10 minutes and off it goes. I recommend checking your veggies about halfway and shaking them up a little to see how they're doing. And we'll check in on these carrots in a few minutes to see how they're doing. All right, our carrots are done. Let's take a look. You can see they're nice and brown and crispy. And if you could taste them, you would see that they're super sweet because the sugar caramelizes. So carrots are one of my favorite veggies in the air fryer. And this could be a great snack. You could put this on top of a salad, serve it as a side dish alongside your lean protein. So lots of things you can do with veggies in the air fryer. And this is just the top of what you could do with the air fryer. So many other options that you can do. So start with veggies, work your way to other foods. You can make a whole meal, but the air fryer is a great tool to make some healthy food. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.